So number 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. 20. Find the magnitude of the vector net 5, 12. That's square root of x component squared plus y component squared. And that is net 5 squared is 25. Net 5 times net 5. 12 squared is 144. If you add that to 169, that's 13 units, 13 cm, option C. So the following are parallelograms, where parallelograms, rectangle is 1 because the sides are parallel, square is also 1, rhombus is also 1 because the sides are parallel. So all of them, that's option D. The length of a rectangular room is 4 meters, it has diagonal of 5. Find the perimeter. We need the x, Pythagoras. So that x squared plus the 4 squared is 5 squared. X squared is the 25 minus 4 squared 16. So x is square root of 9 and that is 3. The perimeter is 2L, that's 4, plus 2 of the breadth. And that's 8 plus 6, 14 cm, 14 meters. 23. So the following vectors is parallel to 5, 2. So parallel vectors, the cross products, or let me just try like 10, like 10, like 25. What is common there? 5. I will 5 out, 1 flip, and that would be like 2, like 5. So that wouldn't be. In fact, it should be a vector. The vector should be such that the numerator should be the x coordinate should be bigger than the y coordinate as it is in the vector 5, 2. So you watch the other ones, or do not make sense. Just the b. The b has this. So if I put 1/3 out of this, I'm going to have 1/3 of net 5, net 15, that's net 5. 1/3 of the 6 is also 2. Like 6 is also 2, like 2. So I put the negative out. It's going to be negative 1/3 out, 5, 2. And because you see the 5, 2 here is still the vector that I'm looking at. So the negative 1/3 multiplied by this gives you the negative 15 x 6. So one is a scalar multiple of the other. So that means option B. But this is a very straightforward question. Once the vector is 5, 2, x component bigger than y component. The parallel vector also have the x component bigger than the y component. And the only one that suits that is the B. So very easy to get it there. 24. Amma has x pieces of cake. She gives y pieces to each of the 5 children, the 5 friends. Y piece, so 5y is given. And he has x. How many pieces does she have left? So what he has minus that. That's option A. Which type of angle is POR? If you watch carefully, is an obtuse angle B. 26. You have A squared minus A minus AB. A is net 3 minus A is net 3 minus net 3, B is 5. This is 9. Net 3 minus negative 15. That's plus, and this is 12. 9 minus 12 is negative 3, option B. 27. Find the gradient of the line joining the point 25 and 5, 14. Y2, 14 minus Y15 out of 5 minus 2. Right? So in that case, you're going to have 9 out of 3, and that is 3. That's our gradient. The volume is 100. The area of the base is 25. The volume is area of base times height. So the volume is 100, 25 each, divided by 25. H is 4, cm, D. AC and coefficients, some oranges. AC received 10 of them, AMA 15, more than AC coefficient. That how many coefficients? So AC got 10. Then Amma received 15 more than AC, that's plus 15. Kofi received 9 less than Amma, 25 minus 9, that's 16. That's for Kofi. How many Kofi received? Kofi received 16, that's option C.